Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a simple yet impressive recipe for homemade tortilla cups filled with fresh and flavorful salad. I have filled mine with rocket salad, chopped tomatoes, red onions, cabbage, cucumber and succulent prawn. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 degrees. While the oven is heating up, let's prepare our tortillas. I am using light tortillas, as you can see right now. We have 8 sheets inside, as you can see, and I'll be cutting them into quarters. First, I'm going to cut the edges off. You can use any type of tortillas you like, of your choice. I've cut the edges from the tortilla sheets, as you can see, and make sure they're pliable so they don't crack while you shape them. It's now time to grease your muffin baking tin, first with oil spray so they don't stick. I'm now going to the next stage, which is the shaping and baking. Now let's shape our tortillas into cups. Simply press each quarters into a muffin tin to form a shape. Spray over again with oil spray before baking for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. As they are now done, bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm now going to bring them out after 8 to 10 minutes. They are done, looking yummy and crispy. We're now going to prepare the prawn. Heat half tablespoon of butter with half tablespoon of oil together. As soon as the oil is heated, saute the tiger shrimps until they achieve a pink hair. Then incorporate your preferred seasonings. Shrimps are very fast to cook, so keep on turning until they turn pink. You can now start by adding your seasoning. I'm using paprika powder, a pinch of chili flakes, oregano, with garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. As you can see, it's done. We now dish out the prawn. I'm now going to show you how I mix the salad. In this bowl, I have some red onions chopped with cabbage, cucumber, and the tomatoes together, adding in some soy sauce with sprinkle of lemon juice, chili flakes, garlic powder, with oregano. Don't forget to add in a pinch of salt and a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. And I'm now going to give it a mix until everything is incorporated. Then last, we're going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil.
Wash and pat dry the rocket salad, and it's now time to assemble. Our tortilla cups, simply fill each cup with the salad first, and then salad mixture, and top with few prawns. Wow guys, they're gonna look appetizing and yummy.